Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. I hope you guys have a great plans for coming weekend here. And it's Friday, July 19th. And no economic news releases as we had mentioned yesterday. Today, it's all about the headline news. And currently, the stock market is down. Partly it's because the headline news that's out there, like earnings reports, are being brought out there. And then also we had the G20 finance ministers meeting today, and they're basically discussing as to when the Fed finally does taper off on its stimulus package, the quantitative easing, how is this going to affect some of the emerging markets and other global economies. So, and what would be the best source to try to make this less painful as possible for a lot of the countries. And then last but not least, there's some news here is China Central Bank raised its floor of lending rates. And what that basically means is that they're kind of letting the financial institutions kind of set their own rates, the market, create their own market rates out there. So China's kind of eliminating that floor and trying to liberalize their financial system here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market, see what interest rates are doing. So yeah, yesterday we, as I mentioned, it was kind of down a little bit, and we closed up that gap that we had prior to. So Wednesday we had that big opening gap, almost 50 basis points, and yesterday we kind of basically closed that gap, which is a good thing. As I indicated yesterday, if we close it, that'll be good because it will help us create a stronger foundation and work our way upwards. And as long as we stayed, as long as it wasn't a huge drop and brought us out of the trend line, which it stayed perfectly inside that trend line, works extremely well for us. So today we're actually reaping the benefits, as you can see. So it's a nice price, and this is kind of showing a bullish market on the bond market side, and we're up currently about 28 basis points. So at the 101.28. So this is positive news for the bond market, and hopefully we could see a continued improvement in the interest rates. But today we had definitely a nice improvement in the interest rates, and hopefully watch it moving forward. All right, folks, I hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll keep this short and sweet, and we'll see you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching.